Hello, this is the second part after we have done the model. This is our model in EPANET. Now we need to give the value for elevation, something elevation, uh, ele- elevation, diameter, length. We have axim fix. For that, first I need to change the unit. Then I go to this default. I go to the default one and hydraulics. I'll put it liter per second. Okay. Then I will extract this data in, export this data in Excel file. Okay, I will export the data in Excel file. I'll put in desktop simulation model. Yeah, yes. Okay. Because dot GNP file will not be opened in Excel. It will be easy. I will look at practice. And this is our simulation model. Will move here. Okay. This one is our value. Now we'll open this one in Excel. Okay, open, because our the file should be in .inp. Otherwise, the file will not be open in Excel. It will be very difficult to put the individual file by clicking each junction, each pipe. It takes long time. If we can open in the Excel file and edit it. Okay, next, finish. This is our data. We don't have any elevation. We don't have depend. Look, our length and diameter fixed. Everything is fixed, and we do not have anything here. Okay, now we'll put our value here. I have in a Word format. Look, this one. I had extract this data in the Excel. This is my data in Excel. Now I'll put the value for pipe data. Okay, I will extract the uh, length and diameter, and I'll put here. Okay, I'll copy this and this model. And where is our pipe? This one is 5. We need to copy these two, and we have everything up to 1. Let me to control V. Here comes our value. Yeah. Similarly, we can do for 5. We put for the elevation. Okay, let's do for elevation. Okay, this is our for junction. Sorry, this let's do for our junction, and here is our simulated value. Okay, let's do for the junction. Okay, control P, and now let's save it. Let's save it. Let's see how we did it in EPANET. This one is our EPANET file. Export and import. We need to import the network and to make it. And no, we go to the proposal. Oh, sorry, this is not practice and simulation data which we have entered. We don't search it. No, we don't want background. This one. We want for notation. Simple notation. Everything. Notation. This one is what we want. Here is our data. Let's zoom little much and click on let's see the data. We have changed our length, diameter. Now I want to add a tag. Okay, I'll add one tag here, like one tag one for this one. I'll show you by doing in the Excel very easily. I just want to make it easy. Anything is done. Yeah. Now we need to define our pattern. Look, data. I want to define our uh, pattern, how it's going. We can here residential. We have two pattern: residential demand pattern. And we'll put here we have value something 0, 0.12, 0.2, something like this. Okay, we have here in the Excel. I'll just want to here is we have residential demand and commercial demand. Okay, let's put it. I'll put it here. I'll edit this data. I'll write here commercial demand. Commercial demand. I will write here value 0 something. Okay. I'll write it here. This one will be our pattern. We need the curve. Uh, oh, sorry. Curve. We need to have the curve. We will write head curve. And we have the equation. We have the head. We have the head curve 0, 100, 0, 101.4. I'll put this one 52 point 252.5, 252.5. Next is 92, 90 tab 92.3. We have next we have 504.7, 4.7, and next we have 65.2, 65.2. This is our, oh sorry, let's see, this is our curve. Okay, and let's extract data in and we have tank also. We have the value of tank also. Let's input this data to simulation model. Okay, replace it and do it. And we're going to again Excel. We're going to open it. Browse, where else? Desktop we have, and we have simulation data. Let's see what we can make it simply. Look, this is how done. We can read the pattern 1 for the commercial demand. We have our demand. Let's put it for 1 for now for everything. Okay, 1. We have the ID for reservoir. Let's see for reservoir. Put here reservoir and simulation model. Okay, reservoir. We have the reservoir head for 114 and 110. Yeah, for our tank we have one elevation 3.7, initial level 5, minimum water level 0, height 10, diameter is 15 mm, 50 meter. Next we have 53.7, initial level, well, 5, 0, 10, 15. That's all. We have kit here. And overall efficiency height is 75. For pipe we have did everything. We'll make a group and change the value, change the roughness according to our need. Okay, then we have the pumps, and that's it. Our nodal to everything is correct. 130. Yeah, link here. Now we'll put here link is for giving the tag to our pipeline, so that we're making on the base of on the type, on the type, which type it is making. I show you how to do that one also. uh, insert row. Okay, we have 100, so check check insert row. We have different type of materials and different pipe size, so the roughness is different for different pipe. So in this where I'm going to make for the cast iron 2231 group, and less than over 41 group, and on 10 and 30 to 40 another group. I have already done it and make it according to that. You can make anywhere you want to make, so that You can change the roughness of pipe according to your need. Okay, then I will go to my simulation and I'll put here, and I will edit here. I'll put here water. I give the tag number for different pipe according to its, and this how we keep the data here, and I'll delete the remaining of this one. Delete enter. That's done. I have given the tag for every pipe. After that, after giving the tags, I have finished this part. Also, this part will finish, and it is given a baseline demand. I will keep this demand also. Okay. Then I will need to put demand pump head. This according. Now I need to put why I didn't did last time. I will insert enter row. Oh, sorry. Insert enter row. It's come down. Okay. One and insert enter row. I feel easy by putting this value like this. I'm going to put the value according to this one 0 0.51, 0.51, 0.51. I can put there, but I feel difficult for that. So I'm going to do this one like 0.68. This is 1, 2 sequentially. It got like sequentially 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Sequentially, you can put the value. And I'll put this. Make a little zoom. Yeah, 1.02, 1. We'll put by this it will understand that we have given the residential demand for it to 1.19 and 1.1. This is the pattern. We have already assigned that which pattern we are going to do for the junction. We have already given in the top. Furthermore, I will show you again 3 and 5, 3. I've done something mistake or what? 6. 0.19 or 1.02 85 0.68. This is our residential demand. Now we're going to put commercial demand. Insert interval. It's very 0 0 0 0 0 0.5 oh, 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 0. Like this, we have defined our commercial demand also. Yeah, you can edit that one. Then reservoir tank data we have already put give it, and we have given a COP data also 6282504. Friction we have 75 global efficiency. Yeah. Then this is for calculation. That's all. We have given all the data for this, and we are going to put duration 24 hours. Okay. It's not happening. Let's say the customize hours. This one, yeah. Let's change it. 24 0 0 0. Yeah. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Okay. Let's save it. We'll close this one. We have our model here, and we'll be importing our network. What we did now. This is the practice here, and let's see our. We have given the tag. Our tag is. Let's change. Everything is changed. Okay. Let's see the pattern. Our pattern. Let's see. Look, pattern will also change, and this one also change. Everything is change. If you want to give the notation, it is the it is here. You can make it on, and this is our data. Anything here reader we can look it, and pump code will give one. We have cup one. Yeah, pump. Energy coefficient for pump energy. Pump one have given. Let's three 1 2.1. Pump cup means this is the cup we have. It is given command here. That's it. Mm, let's do option level bulb. Everything we have did it. Control everything. Anything else? Just the observer. And nothing need to be done. It's done. And one is the commercial demand. That is commercial demand. That is for pipe. It is shown, I think, for junction. Okay, junction. Let's see our. It's not. Let's see a position. I will show only one. For the pipe 57. Okay, 57. It is. Let's see once I will compute. It is for junction 57. For junction 57, in the best demand we have demand pattern one we have, that is one. And in demo categories I'm going to add and then write is two pattern. This is residential demand and this is commercial demand. Yeah. Yeah. It's like it is commercial demand 1.5 and I have put on 2 because in our pattern it is 2. By this way we can enter all the value in our model and analyze it. Thank you for watching.